Alright, got eyes on it on camera. Let's see what stars will pass by. At some point, as it gets higher, it's gonna disappear. So like as it continues to get, you know, brighter and brighter, it's gonna disappear. Or it's about to approach a cloud. Now. I would expect the magnitude to be around more than -2 right now. But I don't have a laptop with me, so yeah. So far it's not passing by any stars. Continues to get brighter and brighter now. It is about to approach a giant cloud right now.
No, not really. Not yet.
Here it comes to the cloud. Oh, it disappears right before it. There we go. Now we're left with Vega, I believe. And that's it.